My channel really quick. I wanted to show you guys the TubeBuddy platform that I have in my YouTube channel. You guys can also download the TubeBuddy for your channel, and you can also grow your channel with this platform. TubeBuddy will help you. It has tons of videos. It has tons of new stuff, new free stuff in here. You can get it from the store, or you can go ahead and download it in my link in the bottom. I will leave that link in the bottom of this video for you guys to go ahead and check it out. Go ahead and get this for your YouTube channel if you are wanting to grow. This is the way to go. And also it has paid versions where you get 3. The most expensive is the Legend because it's like 49 something, like almost 50 bucks. You have the other 2, which is a much lower price, but you don't get all of the features. The most expensive one is the 50 bucks. You get all the features and maybe a couple of the few unlimited ones. But I suggest you go with the free one. If you like it, then you can go ahead and pay for the paid version, which it has 3, like I said. So if you want to go check that out, you can go check it out. And hopefully I will see you guys on my next channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will subscribe you back. And don't forget to check out this TubeBuddy platform. I will leave a link in the bottom so you guys can check it out, download it, and you can go ahead and explore it. And I will see you guys on my next channel later.